I'm turning it into a real video.
No.
Yes. So it's clearly raining. We have five minutes until the bus comes. Probably. And we're here under this shelter, escaping from the rain.
We're gonna die.
We are going to die here. Oh, did you see that? Wait, watch these cars go through the puddles. Wait, hold on. It only happened the once. Is this guy gonna do it?
It's really dangerous.
Oh, there we go.
That place flying backwards?
I think it's just a super high-tech fighter jet.
No, that plane's obviously flying backwards.
Which do you think it's gonna get here first, the bus or the others?
Or the what?
Or Craig and Emma and Jordan? Recorder.
Got it? Is it on?
Yep. Go for it.
Yay!
Alright, I didn't see it.
I thought you threw away your phone.
Anybody ever wonder what the inside of a trash can looks like? It looks like that. Oh. So the bus should be here any second, any minute now. Hey, look, they're back. Alright, that means I'm gonna end this now. Bye. Look what I found. Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh, it's the same guy.
Oh my lord.